Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. We are doing something new today. I've got a new subscription box to open. If you saw by the title, this is the Hope Box, and we're going to find out a little bit more about it. I just saw this on Cratejoy. If you're looking for different kinds of subscription boxes, you can go to cratejoy.com and look for them. That's where I found this one. What did I put in the search bar? That I was looking for a box for people with anxiety, I think, and this one came up. So if you want to know what is in this box, then hang tight. My eyes are watering. I don't know why. I'm not crying or anything. I'm really not. Okay, if you want to find out what's in this box, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, this is a seasonal box. This is the fall box. I'll put a link down below, and the link will go. I'll either put the link from Cratejoy or the link directly to Hopebox, but I'll see if I can find a code to put down there. But I know that I don't think they're selling the fall boxes anymore. But I think you can sign up to get the winter box. But I was kind of late to the game. But I'll show you kind of the kind of products that they have, because I did see what was in it. And you know, I was looking for a seasonal box like this. This is around the $50 range. I wanted something like, we all have those, if you're into subscription boxes, we all have that box that royally pissed us off. And that box for me was the FabFitFun box. They just... for some people, it was BoxyCharm that really did them dirty. For some people, it was Ipsy. For some people, it was some other box out there. Some people, what have you. For me, it was FabFitFun. It was a couple of years ago, and they didn't send me a box, and something on it. I don't even think I can remember what happened, but I just know that I'm still mad at them, and I'm not signing back up with them. But I wanted a seasonal box, and I wanted something like FabFitFun that had all the cutesy stuff in it. This, you don't get to pick anything in it, but it does come with seasonal stuff in it. Okay, so this comes with a card. It says, if the year was tucked inside of a clock, then autumn would be the magic hour. Okay, that is a saying, I guess. And it has featured in the fall Hope box. And there are 3 items in there, but I know there's more than just 3 items in here. Okay, this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's very nicely wrapped with a sticker that says, I hope this makes you smile. And let's dive into there. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. And what do we have on top? On top, we have a goodie on here. It says Stroopies, authentic Dutch stroop waffles and pumpkin spice. Ooh, I like getting snacks in my boxes. Boxes like this. I don't know, there was a couple of people saying they don't like getting food in their boxes. I do. I'm one of those people who does like it. So this looks really nice. It like sits on your teacup. Our authentic stroop waffles are best warmed on the rim of your favorite hot beverage. Okay, that is so cute. I like that. And then on top here we have a cheerful candle, but it's not a candle, is it? It is in honey pear cider fragrance that makes you smile. It says, for use, shake gently, hold can upright toward the center of the room Press button and spray desired amount. Avoid spraying on furniture. Okay. Well, we're gonna... Oh, that is very, very potent smell. Oh, it's good though. I should have sprayed that out that way probably instead of this way. Okay, that does smell good though. I like that. Honey pear cider. Very nice smell. Okay, then we have some apple butter, some more food. This is from Adam's Apple. Okay, none of this stuff is what, okay, so right here, I bet my parents would really like this. I should give it to them. So it is apple butter. It is Adam's Apple Company is dedicated to preserving and sharing the goodness of apples for their gift of sweet memories of food, family, and friends. Share the goodness. So that is really cute. That is what it looks like right there. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, this is some soap by Latica. You can't, the overexposure there. Okay, this actually has something here. It says it. The morning coffee soap bar is a rich blend of freshly brewed coffee and vanilla cream and hints of chocolate. Latica's, anybody? Glycerin soap is all plant-based and contains no alcohol or harmful products to dry your skin. Its neutral pH cleanses without stripping or upsetting the delicate pH balance. Vegan and cruelty-free, no artificial colors added. Okay, this might be a good gift. Could be. Okay, it's one of those square bars. It has the name of the company on it. Oh, I might be keeping this. It definitely smells like coffee and vanilla cream and chocolate. Wow. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I want to give that away. That is, that smells really good. Okay, you gotta like coffee to like that. Oh, but that smells just like a vanilla cream coffee with some chocolate in it. That sounds so good right now. Oh my gosh. Anyway, okay, the next thing, it looks like something really cute. Some knitted. I can really appreciate these because I used to knit all the time. Okay, I'm just trying to get all these little flakes off of it. These cute little pumpkins. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at them. They're so cute. I'm going to put them right here. Do a little decorating there for my channel. There, that's my fall decorations. Okay. Okay, and what is next? Okay, so this is from Dolcetto pumpkin spice rolled wafers. These are some more food. I like that. These are rich pumpkin cream rolled wafers. Okay, I'm not gonna be trying anything right now. I haven't even eaten dinner yet, so I probably will try one after dinner. I think this has something. Okay, yeah. Dolcetto pumpkin spice wafer rolls. Dolcetto premium rolled wafers blend traditional style baking techniques with quality ingredients to create a one-of-a-kind snacking experience. These delicately rolled European style wafers are perfectly crispy on the outside with a luscious rich cream filling in the center. The result is an artisan baked treat. Perfect treat for every cookie and autumn flavor. Excuse me, lover. Okay, let's open it up at least and see what they look like. Hold on just a second. Okay, I thought they'd be individually wrapped or something, but no, they're in here. I'm not gonna. Okay, I hear y'all. I'll open it up. Okay. Just for you guys. And I'll take one out. I'm putting it back in. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, I hear y'all. Y'all want me to taste it. I know you do, but no, I'm not going to. Not right now. Okay. All right, what else is in here? Oh, we have looks like a sheet mask. Is that what this is? It's in Korean, so it might be 15-minute mask pack. Juicy pomegranate. Let's see. I cannot read that writing. Why do people make writing so small? After supplying sufficient botanical nutrients through a mask for just 15 minutes, irritated and dehydrated skin caused by stress and a harmful environment changes to glowing, healthy skin. Okay, all right, that looks really nice. I have to try it over the weekend. Okay. Oh, there looks like there's a book in here too. There's a few more things. There, of course, there's a candle. Oh, it smells just like apples, like apple pie. It's called Autumn. This is what it looks like. Okay, it was a beautiful, bright autumn day with air like cider and a sky so blue you could drown in it. Somebody said that. That is a quote. Hot apple cider hand poured by Modern Forestry. Okay. That I love apple flavored candles so much. And I haven't had any candles with me over here. So that is really nice. Did they have a write-up on this? No. But the next thing I get out will have a write-up. I should put this in here and light it. I'm going to put it there, but I probably won't. I don't know if I'll light it there because I don't want it to mess up my little poster there. But I'll just put it there for now. Okay, what is this? What do I have here? But it is in a bag. Okay. So far, I'm feeling very good about this box. Okay. So, this is jewelry. It's one of those wrap bracelets. Ooh, look at that. Very nice. Okay, let's put it on. Oh, it feels nice. Now, I'm not usually a bracelet person, but this feels really nice. Look at those two charms there. I like that. Like I said, I'm not really a bracelet person either. Okay, let's take this out and then we'll take out the last featured product. Okay, this looks like it might be a journal. And this says, just for today, a guided journal for healing, hope, and daily care. Okay. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Right there, right there. There is something. It says, just for today, offer yourself the support you want and the care you need. Use the space inside this journal to reflect on where you are right now in this moment. Stay present, find your footing, and let tomorrow be tomorrow. Just be here fully, completely. Okay, and there's some guided stuff to write, like, how am I feeling in this moment? What was meaningful for me today? How am I feeling in... Oh, it's the same every day. Just you answer that question every day. So, and then you put the date at the top. Well, that is nice. Okay. And there it looks like there's some stuff. It looks like there is some stuff in the middle and at the end. Okay. This looks like a very nice journal, and I like that it's hardback. I really like that. Okay, so we'll put that over here, and then this. I'm excited about this. When I saw this in the box, I got really excited. These are called Autumn Treats. They're hydrated, kissably soft lips. These are like chapsticks, and yeah, let's see what it says. Woolsey's Lip Balm set of 3. Get kissably soft healthy lips, and seal in. Okay, you gonna let me open you? Okay, just a second. Okay, get kissably soft. Okay, I thought we had an understanding here. Okay, get kissably soft, healthy lips and seal in moisture with this healing formula and natural flavors. Ingredients you know. Shea butter to soothe and soften, 100% natural beeswax to seal in moisture, natural oils to moisturize, vitamin E to treat chapped lips. Okay, and it comes like this, and there is a vanilla latte, there is a cinnamon rolls, and there is an apple pie. Okay, let's open this and smell then. Okay, it doesn't smell as good as the candle, but it still smells good. Okay, let's try this cinnamon rolls one. These could be good gifts too. Well, I just jabbed that one up my nose. Okay, that one's mine, I guess. And then the vanilla latte. Okay, that smells real nice too. Okay, all right. And I might just keep all these because I need chapstick all year round, pretty much. And yeah, those are really, really nice. I don't know. I keep thinking these would make nice gifts. I keep thinking, no, I would keep all of it. And now, is there anything left? This is a really good box. I like this box. Move over FabFitFun. You know, I never liked the fit part of FabFitFun anywhere. So I'm like, oh, fit? Who are you trying to get fit? I'm fine. Thank you very much. No, thank you. Okay. Anyway, that is the Hopebox for fall of 2023. Let me know what you think of it. I will put a link down below. And like I said, I think they are getting the winter box ready. And I will feature that when it comes out. And so, yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends if you think they would like it too. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Whether you are a subscriber, a casual viewer, or this is your very first time watching one of my videos. If it is, hello, welcome. I would love for you to join us by hitting that subscribe button, hitting that notification bell, setting it to all so that you're notified every time I upload a video. So I hope you're all having a wonderful, fantastic, awesome day out there today. If you're having an especially hard time though, know that I'm thinking about you. I'm sending you all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video soon. Just stay well until then, okay? Goodbye.